and today I will teach you how to create a YouTube channel. Let me show you how, by watching this full video. Enjoy! First thing you need to know about is you need to have a Google account. Sign into YouTube and click on the user icon at the top of the screen. Next, click on Create a new channel. So now, let's get started. Then you need to choose your channel name. It's either a custom name, or your name. This name will represent yourself and your brand. So think more about it. For me, I will create Papalo channel for my dad. If you're wondering how to start a YouTube channel that draws attention to your brand, the next step is to fill out your profile and channel description. This is the first option you see after you have created a channel. Here, you should describe your brand and what viewers can expect to see on your channel. This is also a great place to add links to your website and other social media networks that you use. This description will appear in more than one place on your channel, so be sure to put your best foot forward when filling it out. When you go to a YouTube channel, you'll immediately be greeted with a large banner displaying the channel name. This is your cover photo and is prime real estate for introducing your brand. Since you're starting a YouTube channel for your own business, you should have more than enough source material to work with, and you can approach your video content in more than one way. At this point, you've probably done a fair amount of research about your first video, and if you already have your channel trailer under your belt, you have a bit of practice as well. Now it's time to take and say action. Is there anything else I can help you? Please comment down below. Thank you for watching.